Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rochelle, also known as Shelly. I make videos related to work from home and what it's like to be a work from home mom. So, if you like those videos, please hit like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy watching! Hello mga Chelly viewers! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Simply Chelly Vlogs. Ayan. So, in this video guys, samahan niyo ako, punta tayo sa hospital. Why? Because it's my follow-up check-up. Just to give you a brief background of what happened to me, as why did I end up going to the hospital right now, is because the day before my birthday, which was October 26, I had this terrible headache. Talaga, unbearable guys. So, I woke up at around 12:30 p.m. kasi I was preparing for a meeting in our homeowners association. And then, akala ko gutom lang guys kasi tanghali na yun. Natulog ako. That was Saturday. Katatapos lang na shift. So, natulog ako. Paggising ko, sobrang sakit ng ulo ko. And then, I proceed with, dressing up, going to our meeting. Akala ko gutom lang guys. Nung nagpamerienda na sila, kumain ako. Sakit pa rin ang ulo ko sobra. And then I told my husband, mga tipong, 6 p.m. na yon. Sabi ko, bili niya ako ng gamot by Jessic. I took the meds. And then, after that, nag-subside ng konti lang, nabawasan. So, yung pain ng headache ko was like 6 to 7. Nabawasan lang siya siguro mga 4. Sabihin, masakit pa rin siya. Okay? And then I slept. Mga 12 a.m. na, past 12 a.m. na ako nakatulog. Ayun. And then, nagising ako ng 4 o'clock a.m. ng October 27, the following day, which is my birthday na. Ay, sabi ko, sobrang sakit, guys. Parang sasabog yung ulo ko. Parang gano'n na naman yung pain rate niya was 6 or 7. Sobra. It's really unusual. Hindi ako nakakaranas ng ganong kasakit na ulo. Okay? And sabi ko sa husband ko, ginising ko, sabi ko, let's go to the hospital, hindi ko na talaga kaya. Parang feeling ko, talagang nagsushoot up yung dugo sa utak ko, guys. I was a bit scared, but I was trying to calm down kasi I don't want to worsen the situation. Baka siya may kinalaman sa high blood or may kinalaman sa puso, whatsoever. I didn't know that time. Okay? Now, punta kami. Hindi ko na kaya magmaneho, guys. Nag-tricycle na lang kami. And then, nagpunta ako sa ER. And then, inadmit nila ako. Guys, nagulat ako. 160/100 ang BP ko. I was hypertensive. Pinababa yung BP ko. That was 4:30 na kami nakarating dito. And, na-discharge ako ng mga 9 o'clock na. So, you see guys, do not ever disregard the pain that you've been experiencing or you're feeling, kasi you wouldn't know. Kagaya na nangyari sa akin, if hindi ako nagising ng October 27, I could have had stroke and I might have gone to coma. Biruin yung birthday ko, guys. Parang, diba, I'm still thankful to God, of course, na this is my second chance to life. Yun lang, nakakalungkot lang. Siguro, part of aging na rin, kaya lang talagang yung nangyari sa akin. Wake up call. Diba? Kasi, hindi mo talaga alam ang buhay kung bibigyan ka pa ng chance o hindi. So, most likely, binigyan pa ako ng chance and marami pa akong dapat gawin. Marami pa akong kailangang bawiin. Makabawi man lang sa buhay. So, yun guys. And I'm so thankful to Cyberbacker. I'm still with Cyberbacker right now. Going 4 years, guys, with Cyberbacker.
I'm just so thankful to them as well. Kasi without Cyberbacker, hindi ko alam kung saan ako kukuha ng pera, to be honest. We've had a lot of responsibilities over time, and alam niyo naman na aside from my family, I have my mom with me, which I support as well with her medications and all. So, wala talaga, just enough lang. Very thankful ako because we have this medical benefit from them wherein we can always use in times like this. Check up and all. It acts like an HMO but with Cyberbacker. Ayun. Basta, it's just that I'm not allowed to disclose further details, because, of course, ano yun confidentiality pa rin naman yun. It's just between Cyberbacker and us. Kaya yun, ang mga laboratories, guys, Diyos ko, oh my God. Nung na-ER ako, ang binayaran namin was nasa almost 7,000. And then yung laboratory ko just recently, I'm gonna show them to you. I'll take a photo of them. Guys, 8,000 plus. And then right now na mag-follow up check up ako, another bayad na naman yon. So thankful talaga ako kay Cyberbacker, guys. Sana kayo rin makapasok sa Cyberbacker. I would really encourage you to reapply kung nakapag-apply na kayo nun. And kung hindi pa naman kayo nakapag-apply, just let me know. Just send me an email. I will have my email address in the description box of this video. And you may apply, guys. Especially, guys, kung ito na yung turning point na kailangan mo na mag-work from home, I would say that Cyberbacker is your first option. I know there are a lot in there, a lot of, competitors or other VA companies like Cyberbacker, but Cyberbacker, I suggest it's your first option, guys. Ayun. So, ayun, guys, may natutunan na naman tayo for today. Huwag niyong iniinda yung mga sakit-sakit ng ulo. Huwag niyong basta lagi inuman ng Biogesic. Well, I didn't know at that time. That's why uminom ako ng Biogesic. But pagka persistent yung nararamdaman ninyo, guys, huwag niyo lang inuman. It could be something. And like mine, I'm hypertensive, and it turns out pataas yung cholesterol ko, and I'm diabetic. So, it's a sad thing, but we have to face it, we have to fight it, and drink our meds. Mag-lose weight. Ano pa nga ba, guys? So, yan. Isa pang journey yan na i-share ko sa inyo as I go along and lose some weight. Let's see. Sana kayanin ko. Ayun lang. So, kung bago ka lang dito sa aking YouTube channel, guys, mag-subscribe ka na. And kung nagustuhan mo yung video, syempre, palike na lang din. Alright? And share na rin sa mga tao na sa tingin mo makakatulong itong video na ito. Alright? So, see you again, guys. I'll be late for my appointment. I'm here at the parking area of the hospital. So, I'll see you again in my next vlog. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe.